Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay. Shay with the pow. Don't take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, y'all, as far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. The larger one, I need 50 for $5. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know. I do not know. I did do my deals yesterday, so I did all my deals yesterday. I did hit my bonus, which is cool. My receipts took a little longer to process, which is weird. Like, I don't know why it took so long, but when you be trying to hit that cash out so you could rinse and repeat, you be like, yeah. So, yeah, and I know a lot of you guys have been having issues with Ibotta. I know Amy and Miss Gibson, y'all both locked right now. I heard a lot of you guys are having issues. I'm just crossing my fingers. And I was able to cash out. So I'm like, okay, cash out real quick. But, yeah, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's up with Ibotta right now. I'm going to share the ice cream deal that I did at Vons. I did that deal like on the last hour. Basically, I did post it on my community tab. And with that offer, I thought it was it said up to $20, not to exceed $20. So I was just like, okay, but I was expecting it to be a cost of like 25 cents per item because I did have I think I had a spend 20 on Frozen, get back, save 2. And then 2 of the items had dollar digitals. So, it was going to cost me 25 cents per item. But when I submitted my receipt, I ended up getting back more than that. I think 2 of the items I got back 8, and 1 item I got back 10. So I got back $26 instead. So it made it like an $8 moneymaker. I think what it did is it gave me back the retail for those items, because if I look at my receipt, like that was the retail for the items and it's not what I paid. And so that was an awesome deal there. With the Ripple Street, with that deal, I thought I was a little confused on how to do the Ripple Street deal when you have multiple items. Like, I thought I had to buy all 3 at one time, but when I went to submit the receipt, it says which items are you claiming, and you just click the ones you're claiming. Now, when I reserved that deal or whatever, that offer, there's I think 5 different ones. I clicked them all, and those are just the ones that I got: the Outshine, the Haagen-Dazs, and the and what else was it? The drumsticks. Those are the ones that I got. But yeah, that ended up being a really awesome deal. I'm going to give them to my sister today when she comes over. They finally finished the floors at the house, which I'm so excited about. They just got to pack us back in, probably next week, which would be really, really cool. But listen, I'm going to head over to Walmart. Well, I already did. See what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what you know what to do, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up.
Yeah, we're grabbing it again, of course, on the Harkins. If you've tried these, which one is your favorite? Honestly, I think I like this one better. I don't know if it's because of nuts or what. I don't know. Anyways, price at $2.97. Getting it back. It's available for Ibotta as well as all my rewards, making it absolutely free with a limit of 1. As of right now, limit of 1. Next up is the Ensure Max Protein. It's priced at $3.98. For this, we have a free offer. Focus, man. We have a free offer on for Walmart rewards with a limit of 1. And so, yeah, definitely going to be grabbing this today. So this deal here is on the bacon soda. This is on the 1-pound box. It's priced at $1.54. For this, grabbing 2 of them, you would pay, what is that? $3.08, getting back 3 on one of the sister apps for buying 2. Bringing them down to only 4 cents each. All right, so next up is the Ocean Spray Pure. It is priced at $5.74. Grabbing one of them, you would get back a total of $4.65 on Be Frugal and $1.50 on Checkout 51, bringing that to a 41-cent moneymaker. Yeah, so this next deal here is on the electrolyte drinks. There is a free offer. Amy sent me a link this morning. There's a variety of different things you can get. I think you can get 2 of these. They're priced at $2.67. Or you can get a 1 6-pack. I think there's an 8-pack as well. That's an option. I'm going to try to hold off and hope that we get an offer on like Ibotta or something. But I will have a link for you in either the Google Doc or in the description, or maybe I'll pin it. I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, and these are priced at $7.67, which is probably the one I would probably get. They also have the powders. Now that I think about it, you can always grab the powders as well. Let me see if they have them right here. It's probably right in my face, but I don't see it. But they do have the packets as well. It might actually might be in the sporting section. But I don't see it. But that one, you can get that one as well. You know this Pure Kick, they have this at Dollar Tree. I love the watermelon flavor. It's so good. So this next deal is on the Purcell Ultra Packs and the liquid. Big shout out to Justin. He sent me some hang tags. I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. So the liquid is priced at $5.44. Using the jeweler hang tag, you'll pay $3.44, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. The Ultra Packs are priced at $5.44 as well, $2 hang tag. We'll bring that down to $3.44, getting back to when I bought it, makes that $1.44. Grab the soft scrub deal again. So the cubes, the 4 count, is priced at $3.77. The liquid is priced at $3.43. The 2 is going to come to $7.20. $1.50 for one on Ibotta, $1 for the other one, and $4.41 on Be Frugal for buying 2. Makes them 14 cents each. Now, if you have that bonus, then it would then make it a nice little money maker for you. All right, so next up is the Airwick Essential Mist. Now, I did want to try this coupon. It is a Knox coupon and see if it still works. I've had these for a while. With the Knox coupons, Airwick is, Check is. Those are the 2 that I know for sure. So whenever we get printables on coupons.com, I always print them and just save them to my computer. So I did want to try this on the device, priced at $7.48. I used the $5 coupon. It is still scanning. I did go to self-checkout. Bringing that total down to $2.48, getting back to when I bought it makes it 48 cents. So this next deal is on the Palmolive Dish Soap. It is priced at $2.68. I'm getting back 75 cents on Ibotta and then 75 cents on one of the sister apps, making that only $1.18. All right, and of course, we're grabbing the Suavitel Refresher again, priced at $4.68. We're going to grab 2 of them. That total is going to come to $9.36, getting back $2 for each on Tada and $3 for each for Walmart Rewards, making this a 64-cent moneymaker. So this deal here is on the Gerber Gottoms. Look, I saw, I'll have to pop up who I saw post this deal using the Insiders app. I haven't used that app, y'all, in forever. But I saw her post it, so I went ahead and signed up for this particular offer. It's buy 3, get back $35. And so I'm going to grab a total of 3 of them. They're priced at $5.48. I wound up paying $16.44, getting back $1.75 for each on Ibotta, which is $5.25. I'll also get back a buy 2 get back $5.48 through Fetch Rewards. Then we'll also get back that $35 as well, making them a $29.29 moneymaker. Now the other option would be to grab 4 of them, so that way you could claim 2 of the offers on Fetch. And for that, it would make it a $31.04 moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Zen Toes foot cream. This just popped up on Social Nature for 75% back, but it does have a max amount of $7.38. So you'll grab one at $10.44, get back $7.38 on Social Nature, and then you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making that $1.06. Right, next up is the, it doesn't look like they have the, which one was it? The cream. They have the spray price at $7.97. And so for that, you're grabbing 1, getting back $3.99 on Ibotta, and then we have a $2 aisle offer, making that $1.98. If you can find the cream, it's priced at $6.97, getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, $2 on aisle, making it $1.49. I believe the limit on that offer for aisle is a limit of 3. Can you see it in there? The grip water. Can you see it? Focus, man. There we go. Focus. There it goes. It's the Mommy's Bliss Grip Water. Nighttime. It is that it? I don't know if that's the one. It's supposed to be the 2 ounces. What is that? Oh, that's the bigger one. That's the 4 ounce. That's not the one that I would need. Hold on, let me back up. I don't even see it. It looks like it's priced at $6.28. One of you guys shared this deal with me in one of my last videos. PMS versus mad cow disease. I think I got that. If that's not it, I'll pop it up. I'm pretty sure that's it. And so look, it's priced at $6.28, getting back $3,100 points are $3 on Merryfield, and then there's $2 back on Checkout 51, as well as one of the sister apps, making that a 72-cent moneymaker. Found it, y'all. Look, it's over here. It's on the regular baby aisle. There it goes, right there. If you're looking for it, it's like a 70-cent moneymaker. So yeah. Look, listen, I'm still waiting for my email for the Made by Dentist. I don't even know if it's gonna come, but they're priced at $16.97. If you have that free manufacturer offer, you'll get that back. We also have a free offer for Isle. I'm not even sure if it's still available. It might be gone. I know there's a 50% one as well out there, and then $3.50 back on Ibotta. So based on what you have, it's based on the kind of deal. It's gonna be still here is on the dial handle, but it is still on rollback for $2.58. We're grabbing two at $5.16. I do still have two of these dollar peelies. That'll bring the total down to $3.16. And then on Be Frugal, we have an offer for $3.28, 50 cents on Ibotta, making them both a 63-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all. So I'm down to my last. Do they even have any? They only have one. They only have one. I might not be able to do that. Well, I'll actually do it at the other store. $6.78. This is my last three IPs, you guys. My last three. All right. It'll bring the total down to $2.78. Getting back $3 on Ibotta makes it a 22-cent moneymaker. Limit of 3. I'm gonna grab it at the other store. And so yeah. And of course, you already know. There's the Hydro Silk, there's the Skintimates, same deal, basically limit of 3. We do have $3 printables as well. They don't have any of the Skintimates, which is the ones I would get. And so if you're using the coupon on coupons.com, it's $3. So work your math based on what you have. And so yeah. Really quick, y'all, look, I tried this deal on the dial, all right? On Be Frugal, it looks like it's buy one, get this, buy one, get that. Kind of like the sister apps when we were doing the True Skin. All right. So I wanted to try to see if it was going to work. It didn't work. I got the lower amount. Well, it's still pending, and I'm probably just going to bring it back because I'm not trying to pay for it if I really have to. And since I got it, the offer has gone up more on Be Frugal. So now it is $2.37. So if you grab one at $3.97, it'll make it $1.60, which is not necessarily bad. And it's only on certain scents, and I believe Blue Sage and the Amber Wood one. And so yeah, not a bad deal. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This all worked out freaking amazing, y'all. Amazing. All right, all the coupons I used today, they all worked. I didn't have any issues at all. Big shout out to Justin for sending me those parcels. Thank you so much. Thank you to Amy. She sent me some razor coupons, y'all. I was down to my last 3. And my last 3, y'all. I was like, dang, I guess I'm gonna have to use the $3 coupons. I missed the days of having like 2, 3, 4 IP fairies on lock. Because you know, if so-and-so ain't got it, you know so-and-so who got it. You know who was faster than others, and so who was cheaper than others. But now it's hard. It's hard to get a freaking IP fairy now. Because I don't know if it's really worth it for them anymore, to be fair. I mean, I know it's just a little side hustle, but I don't know if I could say it's worth it for them. It's worth it for us. It's worth it for me, I know for sure. Especially those Knox. Those Knox IPs come in clutch. But are just generally speaking, when it's a good deal and you want more than like 2 prints per device, you know. But yeah, so all coupons I used today, they all scanned perfectly fine. Y'all know I go to self-checkout. Why? Because I'm the best cashier. I'm the favorite cashier. I'm my favorite cashier. Look, all Walmart need to do is put me on their little payroll and start paying me. Like, Walmart, what's up? What? I'm saving you time and effort and frustration because I'm doing it myself. All you got to do is pay me. You ain't got to tell nobody. You can pay me under the table if you want. Send me some gift cards. But listen, this worked out good though. The Mommy Bliss, I didn't get that back on Swagbucks. I've been trying to put a ticket in. These apps, they keep changing things, and so it's like they've been changing things up, and so now it's like I'm having a hard time submitting a ticket for that. It keeps giving me this error message. I'll pop up the error message I keep getting, but I had to put a ticket in for that, and then I have to put a ticket in for the Suavitel because I only got credit for. Well, actually, no. I don't have to put a ticket in because I bought 2 for Walmart rewards, but I forgot to clip the offer. I already had submitted the receipt to like ta-da, and then I had to repurchase it. So I submitted that receipt to another app. So technically speaking, never mind. I already got the $2, never mind. But yeah, I had to put a ticket in. I have to put a ticket in for the for Swagbucks for sure though. And I noticed when you put a ticket in, you don't get that automatic response where you have to send a picture anymore. So I don't know. I actually like that because it made me feel like, okay, they got it. You know, they got it. And can you believe it? They just sent me I just got a response saying that I got paid for some, it was when we were doing the dial on those little tiny bottles. That was like earlier this year. How come they just barely got back to me right now? Are you serious, Swagbucks? Yeah. What else did I want to mention? The Gotums or Getums. I had an issue submitting. Well, I didn't have an issue. I was able to figure it out. But for the what is it called? The insiders, you have to submit a digital receipt for that. So you have to do it from your app. So you have to screenshot it. Obviously, I screenshot it, but I stacked 3 of those with 3 of the razors. So the receipt was like, it was like 4 screenshots, and so I collaged them together, but it still wouldn't take it. And so then I screenshot it, cropped it, and it took it. So hopefully I'll get that back sooner than later. Right, so let me breeze through this. So everything that you see here retails $156.83. I had $44 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $112.83. And then we're getting back $49.47 from Ibotta. Insiders is $35. Ripple Street is $26. Walmart Rewards, $15.92. Brandclub was $14.93. I have not been doing Brandclub, y'all. And one of you guys let me know about a $5 bonus that you get for syncing your account. I'll pop that up. The person that shared that, but I did get back $5 just for syncing it, which I honestly have not been doing. So $14.93 from Brandclub. Be Frugal is $7.70. Bet Your Award, $5.48. Ta-da, $4. Easy Bucks, $4. Swagbucks, $2.75. I don't know if I'll get that $2, y'all. And then Checkout 51 is $2. Getting back a total of $167.25. It's going to make everything you see here free, plus a $54.42 moneymaker. You guys, talk about some spending money. And so yeah, totally awesome. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like. I was just gonna say I want to smash those ice creams. No, I'm gonna give the drumsticks and the Haagen-Dazs to my, even though my greedy ass want to eat them, I'm gonna keep the Baskin Robbins and the Outshines because they're lower calories. But I'll smash them all. I'm not even gonna joke, but I'm not going to. But anyways, listen, before my ice cream melt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are enjoying the start of your summer. And I will see you in the next video. In the comments, emoji. I want to give me a toilet emoji if you make it to the end. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.